Hit the gas. Start it. You doing both?
Oh no, you didn't say hit the gas while doing it.
Yeah, do both.
Okay, you ready?
Yeah. Just hold it. All right, go ahead. Don't gas it. Go ahead. She about to run. Go ahead. Go ahead. Guessing whatever problem it was intermittent, because this boy started right up. A little bit of starting fluid. Yeah, now it's just starting just fine. But it said the tank empty. Maybe the dude was saying it didn't have gears or something. I don't think he was trying to get over at the time. But yeah, the fuel gauge worked. That boy's out of gas. Out of gas. Yep. It'll be a quick flip. Hopefully it's not an intermittent problem. No oil pressure. Get a mechanical oil gauge. Real good. Got a little exhaust smoke, but for the most part, it's running. And this junky junk. Look, those all messed up. It's funny though, man. I like this type of stuff. Put me in the 2018. I wouldn't want it. I promise you, I wouldn't want it. But yeah, I gotta run it. And I gotta run it. I gotta figure out what's the problem, because it just started too easy from what the guy was telling me. What's wrong with it? A little bit of starter fluid, and it came right on. So something's definitely wrong. Got all gears and everything. Just wondering what's wrong. I got a radio to put in it. Headliners all jacked up. Got a cracked window. I think I can get about here $900. Everybody want to pick up. Everybody want a small truck. You know, country living, Kansas. But it's not 4x4, as y'all can see. So that might be a problem. The door hinges and stuff ain't working. This one probably do work, but the latch fell inside the door somehow. I gotta pull that out. Let's see what's in here. Manual still. That's impressive. Got the baby seats back there. I forgot the name of it. I really did. Yeah, this thing is actually carved for real. Like, it was not starting while I was putting my feet on the gas, and then it would start when I put my feet on the gas. But other than that, ride pretty smooth. Got oil pressure. It didn't have no oil pressure yesterday. At least that's what it was saying. Temp. The guy did a temp. Equus gauge temp. See if the heat worked. The heat worked. Got me a little money. I think I paid $300 for this. Not a bad number for a running vehicle. Put $10 in there. But yeah, just trying to see what it do, how it is. Catch me in traffic, you know I'm pulling up with it. Let me stop playing. Hey, this look funny, man. Hey, it's running though. Got all gears. Ain't overheating. Somebody gonna buy it for the winter. Little winter truck.